Namaste everyone. In today's topic, we'll speak something about fear, anxiety issues, right? If one has a complaint towards that, or if one is feeling a little disturbed or most disturbed because of these issues, one may be feeling a little bit of anxiety or more of anxiety or fear, right? See, once we have to understand this is that we have mind, and if you consider mind as a very big playground, that playground is being divided into different sections called as love. We have fear, we have anxiety, we have caring, we have uh, like different emotions, right? All the positive one, all the negative ones, right? Now the point here is that if one is feeling anxiety, if one is feeling a fear, because all these emotions that one is carrying, which is just happening within you, right, is just because of the information which is being fed to you, right? If for a small child, now they don't know what is fear. Well, maybe, right? For an example, I'm saying it's just because they haven't experienced that. They don't know the fear of falling from a height, something like that. When you see your child, right? Because it's not that information is not fed on to them, like information in the form of experience, information in the form of by seeing or hearing, right? So it is very important that choose what you wanted to hear, what you wanted to see, is what you wanted to feel, because it's an information era, and a lot of people are out there to say so many things about so many things. So many negativity are spreading out there. It's always available, it's just already available in front of us, right? So see that you are not getting access to that. Do not switch on your news televisions and all. Instead see something which is really productive for you. See that you're reading good books, praying, right? Majorly see that thing is happening, because when you speak to your friends, see that you are speaking only the positive things, but not a destructive thing, but only a constructive part of your life, which is useful for you and which is useful for others at the same time, right? Because we try to we have consumed so much of negativity, so much of information is there available. It just a spark is required to trigger you, right? For many of us it is like that. It is just a spark which is required to bring a complete fire within us. So how do we deal with that? Now deal with it consciously. Approach health in a more appropriate manner. Be with your family, speak loving words, and being friendly with them, right? And do read good books which helps in motivating you, which helps in cleansing up yourself, so that all that data has to be removed from you, right? Basically what I'm saying is that you try to, you select what you wanted to hear, you select you what you wanted to see, what you wanted to speak, that you have to select it, right? You have to consciously, you have to approach every single thing, has to be approached in a conscious way. So maybe this is a small tip, but if it takes a lot of time to experience, and you know to experience it experientially, basically, right? It needs a little bit of work. See that you are working on that, and you will see that things are happening, right? In a very right manner, which gives you more confidence. Thank you very much. Namaste.